Hello everyone, welcome back to a quick video. This one should be fairly short. It's a quick unboxing slash mail. So one of my viewers has mailed me a package, which yay! Kind of cheating because I already know who it is. I don't know what it is, but I do know who it was, and it's someone I grew up with. So without delay, let's go ahead and dive into this and see what we actually got. It's been chomping at the bit since I've known it's here. So we're going to carefully open it. I have blocked out, I can't see. I have blocked out the addresses. If you guys would like to send me something, send me a message and I'll give you the address and we can go from there. So bear with me. So this is kind of cool. I'm really excited to see what it is. So after the first video, he sent me a message saying that he was going to send me something. Shot me a couple pictures of the box as he was sending it out, but nothing as in to what is this. So we've got a power adapter, ground, network. So this looks like a tester of some kind, or possibly a power injector. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. And looks like a couple sticks to beat the heck out of me are antennas. So we have 3 antennas there, 3 antennas there, and airbags. Oh look, he gave me a towel. Aww, just what I needed. Let's see. Okay, let's get the box out of the way first, because I won't say it's light, but it's not exceptionally heavy. Okay, so nothing else on the box. Okay, so, and I'm sorry for the setup, guys. I'm still working on getting everything set up in here. Eventually I'll have a table here so I can do proper unboxings and stuff. So just bear with me. So, Ingenious. Oh, nice. So, it looks like it's a wireless access point, LAN port, PoE, LAN port 2, PoE. So this looks... I'll have to do some research. Yep, it's an antenna. It is a wireless access point, dual radio concurrent access point. Nice. So, depending on what I figure out on this, and LAN 1. So here's your information lights. Yeah. So, big shout out to, I'm just going to say your first name. So Julian, for sending this to me. And as soon as I can, okay. So I was right, those were antennas. So we've got 2.4, 2.4, 5 gigahertz. I'm assuming the bottom's about the same. So nope, 5, 2.4, 5. So you got 2 5s on the bottom, 1 2.4, 2 2.4, and 1 5 on the top. Then you have your network connections here. So you plug your, you can't really see it very well. You plug your RJ45 in there. So, and that's for port 1 PoE. So the next thing I need to get, obviously, is going to be a PoE switch or a PoE injector, which I believe, again, this thing is. And this one here is for LAN port 2. So you can actually have this go into 2 LANs, looks like, which is really nice. So, wondering what happens if I plug this in and point it towards my chest. Might have to look into that. So, once again, thank you very much. This is cool. This is, he told me it's a little beat up, but you know something? You're never going to hear me complain. I'll have to find the spec sheet on it and get familiar with it, but this does look, it's a really short video. How long is this thing? So about 6 minutes. So not too shabby. I will get it all set up. Are these different per? They are not. Looks like they, yep. So they're all the same. So I'll get this set up and I will show you guys in a whole nother video. This one is exclusive to the gift Julian gave me. Thank you again, man. So I will talk to you guys later, and I'm back. I was thinking that the antennas were actually specific, so they are. This one's 2.4, 2.4, and 2.4. And these ones must be the 5s. Yep. So they are labeled. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Right there. They're labeled for which one they go into. So I'll have to make sure I get them right. Okay. Later.